Hello everybody, let's connect Stack AI to a Telegram bot. So first thing we would need is we need to create a new bot in Telegram using BotFodder. So we go to telegram.me/BotFodder. I put the links in the description below. And if you have Telegram app installed on your computer, you'll see a pop-up like this. From here, we need to create a new bot, which is very easy. All you need to do is just create on this new bot. So slash. And then we give it a name. I give it a name like YouTube tutorial test. And then we need to give it a username ending _bot. So let me see if it's available. Yes. So now the bot is created. If you click on this link, it will open the bot, you see. And if I type hello, nothing happens. So we want to be able to respond to the chats here automatically from Stack AI. We're going to need this key in a second. So I'm just going to copy it now. So that's it with the Telegram side. Now we need to go to make.com and create a new scenario where we, once in Make, you search for Telegram and select Telegram bot. So we basically want to look for new messages. So search for watch updates basically means whenever a new message is income, we want to trigger this scenario. So for a webhook, we can add a new one. I'm just leave the name as it is. You can give it a name if you want. And for connection, we need to give it the API key I just copied from the Telegram bot, right? So the key you copy from here, you provide it under token in Make. Click Save. Yep, click Save. And if I run this module now, and if I go to the chatbot and type hello, I must receive data here as well. So let's see if it works. If I go under message, yes, text hello. So it's working so far. Now we need to pass this message to Stack AI. And the way we connect that is by using an HTTP module here on Make. So you search for HTTP and then make a request. And for the information here, we're going to grab it all from Stack AI. So we navigate to Stack AI. I have this sample project built, which is just a single LLM node answer questions based on the website. Navigate to export, API endpoint, JavaScript, show token. First off, you want to grab the URL from here and paste it right there without quotation marks. For the method is post. So let's change the method to post. For the headers, we need to add authorization. So we grab it from Stack AI, and the value would be everything between these single quotation marks. So copy that, paste it there. We also need to add another header, which is called content type, and value is application/JSON. For the body type, we want to select raw, content type JSON, application JSON, and request contents. We want to basically pass the message that we just typed, right? So you go with one and open curly bracket, and if I go back to Stack AI, you see the structure is something like this. So all we need to do is just, and for the message as the input, we want to send the value from previous step, which in this case is Let's see. You see we have all the information, first name, date, and text is the message. So it goes right there, and we want to parse the response, so we get rid of this part. And if I hit OK, and let's see if I run this scenario once now, and if I go to Telegram and type hello there, and back in make, okay. So in the HTTP module, we can see the input is hello there, and whether we got the answer. So let's see. Data, yeah. So this is working perfect. Now we need to send it back to Telegram. So what we need to do is we need another Telegram bot module. This time send a text message or reply. Make sure to select the right connection. For chat ID, it would be under message, under chat, and then ID. For the text, I want to send back the output. We can leave the message thread ID blank, parse mode blank, and we can leave the rest as empty as default. If I hit OK, and if we run this module once, and if I go back to Telegram and say, okay, there you go. This is how you connect Telegram bot to Stack AI. Subscribe, like, and let me know what you guys like me to make in the next tutorial. Thanks.